So we're in Huntington Beach to pick up something that my wife wants. I don't know what it is and she doesn't explain to me what it is.
I told you what it is.
Yeah, you told me what it is, but...
It's a macrame decoration.
What do you need a macrame decoration for?
Don't ask, it's free.
It's weird that she won it, but we have to go pick it up. I thought that was the weirdest thing in the world. What if someone in a different state won it? Hopefully we can do some cool things while we're out here. Chaz is like, she said it's a pink building and there's a giant ass 2-story building right there.
I thought, are you coming with me or am I just gonna go?
Can I vlog?
I don't see one now.
We need mask, right?
Yep. But hurry up.
So what are you picking up again?
A macrame decoration. But we gotta hurry up. Hurry up.
Why do we gotta hurry up? So this giveaway was a collaboration between Spark Studio and another local artist, and we actually had to pick it up at Spark Studio. Really, really nice, great lighting, and if you haven't checked out Spark Studio already, she's a local photographer in Orange County and does fantastic work, so be sure to check her out. Really inspired me to want to have my own studio eventually. I usually do outdoor photography, but you know, having an indoor studio seemed really, really nice, and seeing that one really inspired me to want to do one of my own. So now we're on our way to the packing district in Anaheim. We're at the Anaheim packing district. We've been here before and it was really good. I like these little things that have a lot of different types of food because I like to pick at little things that sound interesting and try the whole place out. We'll see how different everything is, how the eating arrangements are. When we drove by, there was like 20 people waiting outside, but it looks like they're all moving now, so we might not have to wait too long. So we just got seated. They didn't let me film inside with my camera, so I sat outside so I can film the vlog part on my camera. Pretty much all the shots from the inside are gonna be from my phone, and it's really dim lit in there, so it's probably not gonna look the best. But right when you get in, directly to your right, there's this place called the Black Sheep, and they had something really cool. It was like a black drink, but it was being slushed in one of those like slushy machines, so I was wondering what it was, and it's iced lemonade with activated charcoal in it. You know, I just thought it was interesting, so I thought I'd give it a try. It tastes like lemonade. I don't know what I expected, but it's cool. Black lemonade. So after the last video in Long Beach, we got recommended this place called The Croft. I decided to try out the Moco Loco. It looks like there's egg, a slab of beef, fried onions, and French fries and green onions. So let's dig in. Whoa. Meatloaf and a whole egg. Personally, I still think the pastrami was a really nice touch at the Addict in Long Beach. But I'm not upset at this one either. Real good flavor.
Instead of getting one big thing from one place, I got like little things from different places. So from, I think it's called Fanfare, I got an esquite. So it's like an elote in a cup. It's pretty good. I always love an elote. Never can complain.
My turn. How do you guys feel about those esquitas? I didn't even know they were a thing. I always saw like restaurants that weren't Mexican restaurants call them like deconstructed corn on the cob or Mexican style street corn. So I didn't even know that there was a term for it in Spanish. But I actually prefer eating it this way because it's less messy. For those of you guys that have a beard, like anything moist or anything that can get messy gets super messy. It gets stuck in your beard, and I hate it because if you don't immediately wipe it with like a wet wipe, your beard smells like it the rest of the day.
And then from the Croft, I got this chili mac and cheese. And then from Black Sheep Grilled Cheese Place, But the grilled cheese that I got has goat cheese, tomato, arugula, and it's on like a squaw bread is what it's called. So it's like a marbled squaw bread. It smells delicious and it looks delicious, so I'm excited to try this. That's delicious.
We got sun-dried tomato on there and the creamy goat cheese. What's that green stuff? Arugula pesto? That just looks delicious. I'll go on a limb and I'll say that's the best damn sandwich I've ever had in my life. It's a grilled cheese. That thing is delicious. Holy cow. I don't mean to eat it all, but holy cow. Where is this from? The Black Sheep? So it's the same place that has the black lemonade. Holy cow. This is fantastic. Like, wow.
And then I also got from Snow Monster, I got the jasmine milk tea boba. And then Jamie here got the Thai tea boba. But she's already been digging into this one.
The last time I came, they had this like ice cream sandwich that had like peanuts on top of it, and it was like a green tea matcha ice cream. They don't have it this time, but they have this like half chocolate covered with peanuts and half matcha, so it's almost the same thing. Still just as delicious. I'm a sucker for matcha green tea ice cream and avocado ice cream. I don't know what it is about it. The place she won that macrame decoration from, it was actually like a studio in Huntington Beach.
Called Spark Studio.
Spark Studio. It was pretty cool. It looks like it's like mainly geared towards like maternity and stuff. It's very soft and feminine looking, but it was pretty cool. They rent out the studio. The whole studio full of those macrame things. It helped me understand what they were a little bit more, seeing them like how they're supposed to be used. So she won one. Curious to see what she's gonna do with it. So just finished my meal at the packing district. We tried a little bit of everything from as much as we could, but we got real full real quick. I love going to this place. So much to choose from. Desserts, savory meals, fish food, tacos, Asian cuisine. If you live in Orange County or at least close to it, definitely hit this spot up, the Anaheim Packing District.